Yo, dude, Locksmith Somerville MA is the company most people in Somerville MA choose over any other. This is due to our customers having confidence in us. We have a reputation for helping them with ethical and super specialized service. Every need of our customers is important, and we make sure that our clients receive the very best service possible. When you need help with your motor vehicle, household, or commercial locks, our polite professionals are at your service. All our techs are certified, professional, licensed, knowledgeable, and updated in the latest technology. When you need the best, look no further than us for all your locksmith work to do. Please call us at 617-275-5434 when you need help quickly and at the right price.